can wheel spacers be stacked? Generally, it's not recommended to stack one spacer to another, because this will negatively affect the stability of the spacer. If these two stacked wheel spacers are subjected to different forces, the wheel bolts could be broken. As time goes by, the wheel spacer loosens. Different from the dually wheel spacers, the dually ones are designed to fit dually tires. They won't cause a broken problem. With stacked wheel spacers, you likely lose a wheel if they are loose enough while you are driving. No, God! It's always a good idea to use one-piece wheel spacers of proper thickness. If you need 2 inches wheel spacers, just buy 2 inches wheel spacers. Installing proper wheel spacers will create more backspacing and add a wider stance with factory wheels. Using a piece wheel spacer for one wheel is considered to be safe. If you are looking for unusual thickness wheel spacers, BONOSS has an independent factory. OEM, ODM, special custom is available. Thickness from 3mm to 160mm. Most BONOSS custom wheel spacers can be completed within 3 days.